And welcome to the Tegallalang Rice Terraces in Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. We are here early this morning to film in these beautiful rice terraces. So I'm so glad that you tuned in. And today we will be doing a short sequence that you can do in the morning or at night or starting your day, whatever works for you. And it'll be focused on your core and opening your hips, both really important to make sure you have awesome mobility throughout your day, especially if you're sitting a lot. So let's get to it. We will start by simply sitting in a nice, easy seat. We'll start by inhaling and exhaling, grounding ourselves into this practice, clearing our mind, getting really focused here. Inhale and exhale. Awesome work. We'll simply start by just looking towards the right side and the left side, warming up our neck again. And we'll look up towards the sky, nice and slow, and then down towards the mat. One more time, up towards the sky, and then down towards the mat. We'll roll our neck in a nice slow circle. Just warming up our neck here, really important, especially if you're looking at a phone or a computer all day. We'll roll the other way. And then we'll get started by planting our hands out towards the side in front of us, coming into a neutral tabletop. Wrists are under your shoulders, knees under your glutes. We'll start by just drop the belly down, chin comes up, cow pose. And then tuck the chin into chest, cat pose. Again, cow pose. And then cat pose. Then we'll start to rev up our core, come into a neutral tabletop. Right hand reaches out long, left leg goes back. Really reaching and extending, and then bring your knee and your elbow to touch in the middle, and then extend long again. Reach, 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 and touch, and extend really long here, and touch. Last one, really reach, and then connect knee to elbow, and then we'll plant our right hand down, left knee down. We'll do the other side. Left hand goes long, right leg goes back, really reaching and extending, and then knee to elbow touch, and extend, touch, and extend. Feel your core revving up here. One more time. Touch, and extend, really reaching long, and then we can place our knee and our hand back down. Now this time, we'll do a round of cat-cow. So drop the belly down, chin comes up, and then chin tucks into chest, spine raises. We're gonna do this again, similarly to what we just did, but add a little twist. So right hand goes long, then left leg goes back, and instead of crunching, we're gonna just slowly bring our right hand out to the side as our left leg goes out to the side too. So feel your hip opening. You might get a little cramp, that's okay. If you need to reset, you can. And then come back to center. One more time, reach out to the side as much as you can, and back to center, and down. Good, we'll rinse this out. Drop the belly down, chin comes into chest, cat pose. And now this time, left hand goes long, right leg goes back. And then we bring our right leg out to the side, left hand out to the side. Good. See how this side feels? We're opening up the hip. Back to center one more time. Out to the side. And then center. Good. Back to our neutral tabletop. One more time, rinse with cat-cow. And then this time, we'll bring our right knee out like we're peeing on a fire hydrant. And back to center. Good. Out to the side. And center. Just opening up our hips here. Good. We'll do 2 more. And then we're going to bring our knee up towards our nose and then bring your knee up and around, making a huge hip circle. Good. Again, bring the knee up and around, really opening up your hip here. One more time. Knee comes in, makes a big circle, and down. Now we'll do the other side. Left knee comes out to the side. We do our fire hydrants first. Just opening up our hips here. We'll do 2 more. Good. And then this time the knee comes close to our nose, and then you're bringing your knee out and around, making a big hip circle. Good. And back down. Awesome work. We're going to come into a plank. So bringing your feet towards the back, getting a strong core here. If you need to have your knees down, that's okay too. But if you can, try and get a strong core. Here we go. Holding it here for another 10 seconds. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll lower all the way down to the ground. Come into a little cobra, pressing into the mat, looking up to the sky, and then pressing back to child's pose. Good work. We'll come back to center, and then we're just going to bring our legs through and sitting on our glutes. We're going to just end here with boat pose. So we opened up our hips. We've done a little bit of core, but we're going to end a little bit with more core. Here we go. So we're coming into boat pose, sitting on your sits bones. You can keep your toes down to the ground, or you can bring your toes up. Here should activate your core already. You can lower into low boat, keeping your upper back and your feet just a few inches above the ground, and then come back to high boat. Doing this at your own pace, lower to low boat, high boat. Good. 3 more. Good. Activating the core. Final 1. Awesome work. We can lower all the way down to the ground. Inhale your knees to your chest, rolling side to side. Good work. And then you can bring your hands underneath your knees and rock back and forth on the long edge of your spine and come to an easy seat. That was a quick hip opener and core, and I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more of Ubud, Bali, Indonesia, you can check out my travel vlog linked below. I hope to see you and do more yoga videos and meditations with you. See you soon. Namaste.